Hello and welcome to another video on the Visual Basic Frontend for the legacy Windows ATM. Today we're gonna add a lot of small options, yet important ones, and we're also gonna add another form. So right here, once you open Microsoft Visual Basic, go to Recents and just pick your ATM projects here, click Open. So now we go to user input, and then we're gonna add an additional check here. Checks for empty fields. Let's just add a description, and then here checks correct length. Now I will be using Polish ATM lengths, like of credit cards and bank accounts, etc. So if it might seem weird to you, you can just use your original equivalent. So let's add the check. So you write if len, then the name of the text field, the exe card number in this case is different than 19, then message box incorrect card number length VB OK only, or VB exclamation correct. And then if len txt bank account is different than 28, then also message box incorrect bank account length, the exclamation incorrect bank account length. And then the third check for a txt amount, we're not gonna allow for over $1 trillion. So if, because we just know no one has that, if if then txt amount is greater than 9 characters. Let me pull up Notepad real quick. 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, and then that's a trillion. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 characters. So if it's greater than 12 characters, then this is box maximum amount exceeded. And then 3 and ifs. And if, and if, and if. So let's save the project. And then... Oh, and one thing that I forgot. In user menu, First of all, we're gonna change up the menu, but it's automatic teller machine, not automatic transaction machine. Just a little thing. And then in user input, we're also gonna add speaking. Then just speak, and we copy this. Shut up. We copy this. And then it's gonna say that aloud. Correct card number length. Yeah, that should be right. So let's just do a gigantic input and it should say incorrect card now. Oh, because it's 0. Maximum amount. Yeah, so that's all correct. Glad it works. Length. So we should actually move speak here. Oh my god. Tab. I put caps lock on by accident. Just wait. Yeah, so now let's try it. You can't hear the audio because HyperCam 2 does not record desktop audio. Okay, so now we have the checks. Let me check my checklist for what else we need to do. Oh, we also add user input. Let's stretch this a bit. We are gonna add a CBO with options. Combo box, yes. Combo box is also called a CBO. So we name it to CBO options. And then I just clear this text. Maybe let's stretch it one down. Yeah, that's more like it. Now let's just write choice next to it. Oh, sorry, I turned over my mic or selection. Also, I have a better mic now. Yeah, that's it. And then CBO options change. We're gonna add options to the CBO box depending on whether we're withdrawing or depositing. So in it we add a check for user action type. Now let's just do a template CBO options dot add. Wait, what was deposit again? In global we should check. User input. Let's just add that here for reference. User operation is more professional than user action. User operation. Now let's save the project. Oh, I know why. Just wait, no. Control X this. Control V now. I think user input needs to be last. Yeah. Smart me. Only spent 10 minutes on this crap. Okay, now let's remove all the debug. Final check before we implement it everywhere. Let's go. So basically what you gotta do now is put user input last everywhere in user menu. Like literally everywhere. So you take this, Control X, go in front, Control V. Yeah, so now user input box invalid user information, and then you do this and user operation. Remove the here, and now the combo box should be populated. Yeah. Bam, you're gone. Now, like I said, revamping the user menu. We are deleting this first of. We're gonna do CMD transfer. Transferring is gonna be between two bank accounts. Free transfer for credit card pin, credit/debit card pin change. So now we have this description, user menu, transfer, and then change pin. Simply change pin, caption, change pin. And the change pin is gonna be pretty simple. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.